Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 6th semester. We will discuss the topic process of fertilization. Process of fertilization can be divided into some steps: chemo attraction, second release of acrosomal enzymes, third binding of sperm to extracellular envelopes, and next passage through extracellular envelopes, and next process fusion of sperm and egg pronuclei. Okay, first process, chemo attraction. Chemo attraction is a species specific processes. Okay, species is specific in many invertebrates. In sea urchin, a peptide restrict is such chemotactic molecules. It is also sperm activating molecules. Okay, egg jelly has other compounds as well, which binds with specific receptors on sperm, which in turn opens calcium ion channels, leading to exocytosis of acrosome. Next, release of acrosomal enzymes. Acrosomal enzymes in mammals: Zona pellucida, JP3 glycoprotein, which triggers acrosomal reactions. JP3 glycoproteins. Okay, prerequisites for the fusion of nuclei steps are: occurs when sperms come into contact with the corona radiata of the oocyte. Second, perforations develop in the acrosome. Next, point fusion of the sperm plasma membrane and the external acrosomal membrane occurs. Next process, the acrosome reaction is associated with the release of acrosome enzyme that facilitate fertilization. Okay, see in this diagram, acrosomal membrane reactions and complete this process. Acrosomal membrane and rupture acrosomal membrane and formation of acrosomal filaments. Next process, binding of sperm to extracellular envelopes. Passage of sperm through the corona radiata depends on enzyme action, hyaluronidase and tubal mucosal enzymes. Flagella action also adds corona radiata penetrations. Penetrations of the zona pellucida around the oocyte, acrosomal enzymes, esterases, acrosin and neuraminidase causes lysis of the zona pellucida. Some enzymes lysis the membrane of zona pellucida. Once sperm penetrates zona pellucida, the zona reactions occurs. This reactions makes the zona pellucida impermeable to other sperm. Okay, when more than one sperm manage to enter the ovum, the fetus nearly always prevention of polyspermy. polyspermy. In mammals, prevention of polyspermy is mainly achieved by changing of the electric potential of egg membrane by pumping high amount of sodium outside the egg surface. This is called first block of polyspermy. And next, the cortical reactions occurs in fertilization when a sperm cell unites with the egg's plasma membranes. Jonah reactions. This reaction leads to a modification of the zona pellucida that blocks polyspermy. This is called slow block of polyspermy. Seen this slide's first block of polyspermy is sperm binding are the fusion of egg membrane, sodium influxes, membrane potential change and first block of polyspermy. Next, slow block of polyspermy. Calcium ion release, degradation of cyclin in and inactivation of MAP kinase. Slow block